What are germs? Can you see germs? Where do they come from? How can you protect yourself from them? There are lots of questions to ask about germs. Hi, I'm Zainab and you're watching Studimation. Do you get told to wash your hands after playing outside or using the bathroom, even when there isn't any dirt on them? I'm going to do an experiment to see why we should wash our hands, even if they look clean. This is a bottle of glitter and I'm going to put some in my hands. The glitter over here are acting like germs. After getting the glitter on my hands, I'm going to touch my other hand. Did you notice that it's spreading very easily to anything I touch? Now I'm going to use a paper towel to wipe off the glitter. You can see that some of the glitter probably came off, but most of it stayed on my hands. Now I'm going to use soap and water to wash my hands. Look! The glitter came off pretty easily. The glitter is acting the same way that the germs on your hands act. There are a lot of them, they spread around easily, and it can be tough to get them off. The difference is the germs are so small that you can't see them without a microscope. So you have to know when you may have come into contact with germs and wash your hands often. Remember when I touched my hands, the glitter was left behind? If I accidentally touched my mouth, nose, or eyes while doing this experiment, the glitter would have left behind on that area. Germs travel the same way and can easily enter your body if you touch your face with dirty hands, which can make you sick. That's why it's important to wash your hands before you eat. It's also important to wash your hands after touching something that might have germs, such as when you use the bathroom or play outside. If you don't, the germs can easily spread to more places and to other people and cause sickness. Germs can also spread in sweat, saliva, and blood. Now, what exactly are germs? Germs are very small organisms or living things that can cause people to get sick. They can cause you to get a stomach ache or get an infection in a cut on your hand. They are so small that you can't see them unless you use a high-powered microscope. Germs live everywhere. You can find germs in the air, on food, plants, and animals, in soil and water, and on just about every other surface, including your body. Germs is also called microorganisms or microbes. There are different kinds of germs, but three of the most common are bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Bacteria are little creatures made of one cell. They live everywhere and get their food from the environment they live in. For instance, bad bacteria in your mouth like to eat the sugar that sticks to your teeth. They then produce toxins that cause bad breath, gum diseases, and cavities. The best way to prevent these germs is to brush and floss your teeth daily and eat a diet low in sugar, so this bacteria has nothing to feed on. On the other hand, viruses can only survive by living in the cells of a living thing, like a person, plant, or animal. They can spread through the body and make its host, the plant, animal, or person it is living in, very sick. The flu, cold sores, and chickenpox are all caused by viruses. Fungi are more complicated organisms than viruses and bacteria. They are eukaryotes, which means they have cells. Of the three pathogens, fungi are most similar to animals in their structure. Athlete's foot and ringworm are diseases caused by fungi. While it is common to believe that all germs are bad, most germs do not harm you at all, and some are even good for you. In the stomach, there are helpful bacteria that help you digest your food and produce vitamins that keep you healthy. There are germs on your skin that keep your skin healthy and help keep bad germs from getting in your body. Some germs are actually grown to be used as medicine to fight other germs. Penicillin is a common medicine which is produced by the sac fungus Penicillium and kills many harmful types of bacteria. Some helpful fungi like yeast are used in making of bread. Some scientists now believe that being exposed to some germs is good for you because it helps build up your immune system, your body's defense system to fight off and protect you from the bad germs. When you wash your hands, first wet them with warm water. Then apply soap and form a lather by rubbing your hands together. Do this for about 15 to 20 seconds, or about the time it takes to sing the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Make sure to scrub in between your fingers and underneath your nails, as bad germs like to hide in these areas. Rinse your hands well with warm water. Then use a towel and wipe your hands off. Thank you for watching Studimation, animated educational videos.